Welcome to my channel where we explore the art of designing. Today, we'll be learning about cube composition in perspective, and how this technique can be used to create stunning 3D designs. Whether you're an artist, a digital art enthusiast, or a designer, this video is perfect for you. Cube composition is a technique used in art and design to create an illusion of depth and movement by visualizing and drawing a three-dimensional object in different perspectives. This involves placing a cube in different orientations, changing its position or resizing to achieve various visual effects. In this video, I began by directly sketching the cube instead of constructing the horizon line and vanishing line. I want to clarify that this approach can be an alternative method of starting the cube composition process. It may be suitable for those who are already familiar with perspective and want to focus on the cube itself rather than the overall composition. However, it's important to note that understanding vanishing points and horizon lines is still essential for creating captivating and realistic 3D designs. So, if you're a beginner, it's recommended to first master these principles before experimenting with different approaches to cube composition. Now that we've covered the basics of cube composition, it's time to see how you can incorporate this technique into your work. As a designer or an artist, you can use cube composition to create innovative and captivating product designs, paintings, or illustrations. That concludes our journey into sketching cube composition in perspective. I hope this video has inspired you to take your artwork to new heights. Remember, perspective takes time and practice, so don't be discouraged by initial challenges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more art-related content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.